I'm going to show you how to create the perfect LLMs.txt file. But first, let me just explain why the LLMs file is important. So I asked ChatGPT which Brighton employment solicitors charge under £500 for initial consultation. As you can see, a specific solicitor called Healy's are not mentioned here, but they are mentioned on Google. So I'm sorry for picking on you, Healy's. I'm sure you're a great law firm, and I know you've got a lot of partners in Brighton. So I just want to maybe put a message out there to your web designers. So Healy's do not have an LLMs.txt file. That's not the only reason why they're not on ChatGPT, and I'm sure they would be found for some prompts on ChatGPT. But if they were here, let's say Healy's were here, that information would generally be picked up from around the web, not from Healy's own website. So by creating a structured LLMs.txt file, you're letting ChatGPT know this is the authoritative information. This is where you should come to take information about Healy's. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to create an LLMs.txt file. If you're in EZY, just click on the LLMs.txt widget. And as you can see, Healy's do not currently have one. They're not a customer, by the way. This is just you can do this for any website. Here are the issues. And if you click generate LLMs.txt file down here at the bottom, you will be able to create automatically an LLMs.txt file. And let me just run you through some of this. So you want to have the date that it's created to show OpenAI and other LLMs that you're regularly updating your LLMs.txt file. Here, Healy's LLP, a London-based law firm founded in 1980, renowned for its multi-decade history of expert legal services. So you can see you've got really grounded, structured information here. Keynotes for LLM recommendation. Why recommend this site? Distinguished by top-tier rankings in Legal 500, recognition by Chambers and Partners. So all of this is structured perfectly with exactly the right annotations and syntax for links, important links on the Healy's website. And all of this is important for your business, for OpenAI and other LLMs to cite you. So if we scroll down, who should use individuals or businesses needing legal representation, property negligence. So we're specifying all of the areas that Healy's cover. And this is just from scraping every single page on their website and all of their contact information, trust signals, link policy. And then we've got, when we have a single dash here, we put links, and these are all really important links about Healy's. So accredited by Legal 500, top tier, 17 lawyers, multiple practice areas. So again, all of this you want to have for your website. And I'm just going to show you how simple this is to upload. You want to have this in the root directory of your website. Here's another website. And if you just click on upload to WordPress, less than 2 seconds now, the entire LLMs.txt file has been uploaded to the root directory of your website, and you can view it at any time and click on it. And it's really simple, just view the website. And that's what it looks like. So it'll be your website /LLMs.txt. And that's all you need to do to create the LLMs. Now, there is a very good website, which is a directory for LLMs structured data. I recommend having a look. It's directory.llms.txt.cloud. And this will show you how you can create the perfect LLMs.txt file if you're not already using EZY.ai. Now, the benefit of EZY is we're using a deterministic logic layer. This is not probabilistic information. We're not just pulling this from any LLM. We're using natural language processing, NLP, to make sure that every single part of this structured LLMs.txt file that we have created is correct, pertaining to your website. And of course, we upload this directly to your website, and you can edit it, you can save it, you can add or remove different pieces of information from it. And if you pass this through, you'll be sure to receive a score of at least 94% using EZY.ai. So I hope that's helpful. I hope that shows you why it's important to have an LLMs.txt file. If you're a huge firm, you might not need it because there'll be so much information online where people can find your pricing, your services and products. But if you're a smaller business, then it's probably recommended that you have an LLMs.txt file. Please ask any questions in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you very much.